Specifically principle under the natural law theory. Specific ethical principle under the law theory. One simple idea about specific ethical principles of theory is that they are based on the idea of inherent human nature and objective moral truths derived from it. This principle include the promotion of human flourishing, respect for human dignity, adherence to reason, and the pursuit of the common good. The principle of double effect. This principle provide specific guidelines for determining when it is morally permissible to perform an action in pursuit of full knowledge that the action will also bring about bad results. So, for example, kanang koan sa ibalik kanang mother sa buntis niya tapos ang kuan ang bata nagkuan siya sa barudot kanang kuan sa tubo lang sa inahan. So, magpili ka sa duha kung laban sa magpili ka kung buhiron ba nimo ang mama or kuan or ang bata ang pilion para mabuhi ang inahan or ang kung ano nimo ang isave nimo ang bata kay para kung isave nimo ang bata mamatay ang inahan or kung ano sa So the principle of inviolability of life and religion and ethics, the inviolability, blessedness or sanctity of life. The principle of implied protection regarding aspects of sentient emotional life that are said to be qualitative of the other works of such belief that they are not to be violated as a violation. Ang principle of equality in life, nag-ingon nga ang kinabuhi sa tao may labaw nga halaga o dili mahimo nga ipanghingusugan o paglabas magpasabot nga ang kinabuhi sa tao dapat respetohon o protektahan sa tanang mga sitwasyon. Ini nga prinsipyo naghatag og higpit nga importansya sa kinabuhi sa tao bisan unsa ang kahimtang niini ang prinsipyo nagpahimanglo kanato nga respetohon og angkingan ang kinabuhi sa tanang mga tao sa prinsipyo sa kahilwasan sa kinabuhi ang kinabuhi sa tao gihatagan og labaw nga importansya ug dili mahimo nga paglabaton o pagpanghinusgan. Halimbawa kung adunay usa ka tawo nga nagpakamatay ang prinsipyo sa kahilwasan sa kinabuhi ang nag-ingon nga dili mahimo og buyon o suportahan ang pagpamatay tungod kay hatagan og dako nga importansya ang the principle of forfeiture. According to the principle of forfeiture, a person who created the life of an innocent person forfeit loses his or her own right of life, feelings, taking away the life of a non-innocent person, whereas the murder is taking the life of the innocent person. There is a principle of forfeiture. The principle of I will give you an example of the principle of forfeiture is to say someone convicted of a crime related to drug trafficking Drug trafficking as a result may be required to forfeit any asset or money obtained from their illegal activities. This principle aims to deter criminal behavior by taking away the benefits gained from unlawful actions. Totality. According to the philosopher Schumann, all the organs and other parts of the body exist for the sake of the whole person. So, di ba ang kanang sa kuwan, kanang yuday, kanang imong atay. Di ba pag na siya gamay nga, dahil di ba mula garapaya na siya, maapituhan ang tanan ng mga panda. Dili lang siguro sa kanang tumagoy, katong sa inside or appearance and the principle of totalitarian that the well-being of an individual should be considered entirely taking into account their physical, emotion, and social aspects. It emphasizes the importance of addressing all aspects of a person's health, but not just focusing on one specific area. For example, when providing medical care or health care, professionals should consider the overall well-being of the patient and not only focus on treating a single symptom or condition. This principle organizes the interconnectedness of different aspects of a person's health and aims to provide holistic care. The principle of stewardship. Stewardship is a way of life, a way that begins with acknowledging God as the creator of all and responding with the generosity and the responsible management of our resources as disciples of Jesus Christ. We choose to be caretakers of all God has given to us. Gratitude for this gift and blessing is expressed in prayer, worship, offering, and sharing our gifts out of love for God and one another. So, direct ako ang stewardship. The principle of stewardship emphasizes the responsible and ethical management of resources, taking into account the long-term impact on the environment and society. It encourages individuals to act as caretakers of the steward of the earth, ensuring that sustainable use the resources for future generation. For example, practicing recycling, conserving energy, and supporting eco-friendly initiatives are all ways to embody the principle of stewardship. It promotes a sense of responsibility and accountability towards the well-being of our planet and its inhabitants. Let's say you're passionate about the environment and want to apply the principle of stewardship. One way you can do this is by reducing your carbon footprint. You can start by using public transportation or carpooling instead of driving alone, conserving energy, and by turning off lights and electronics when not in use, and supporting sustainable practices like recycling and composting. By taking this action, you're actively contributing to the well-being of the planet and demonstrating the principle of stewardship.